Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the area of a circle, so let's jump in. So to find the area of a circle, we use this formula. Area is equal to pi r squared. Now, just a reminder, what does this mean? Well, pi is an irrational number that is approximately equal to 3.14. So for the purposes of today, we will use 3.14 for pi. However, definitely note that that's just an approximation. Pi is actually not exactly 3.14. It's just a number that's very close to 3.14. And then r is the radius. And as a reminder, the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any edge of the circle. And regardless of which edge we go to, if we have chosen the correct center of the circle, then all of those will be the same. So here's an example. We want to find the area of this circle. So as we know, area is equal to pi r squared. So in this case, we're going to do 3.14 for pi. And then the radius, the distance from the center to an edge, is marked as 12 millimeters, so times 12 squared. And then remembering order of operations, we should do the exponents before we do multiplication. So 12 squared is the same as 12 times 12, and that's 144. And then we're going to grab a calculator and we're going to type in 3.14 and times 144. Okay, so 3.14 times 144. The other thing you could do is you could use your pi button as well, and then just round off to the nearest 2 decimal places or however many decimal places your question asks. Typically, if it doesn't tell you a certain amount, that means you could either just leave it the exact answer, so 144 times pi millimeters squared, for example, or you can just round it to 2 or 3 decimal places. So in this case, I'll say it's 452.16 square millimeters because that is the number I get when I multiply 3.14 by 144. All right, so let's try another one. In this case, we have that the diameter, the length all the way across, is 20 yards. So this is something we have to be a little bit careful of. They did not give us the radius, they gave us the diameter, but the radius, the distance from the middle, right, the center of the circle to the edge, is half the diameter. So that means if the diameter, the full diameter is to be 20 yards, the radius would have to be 10 yards. So area is equal to about 3.14 approximately times 10 squared, right? Because the area is equal to pi r squared in general. So that's going to be 3.14 times 10 squared, which is 10 times 10 or 100. And that is going to be 314. So approximately 314 square yards would be our area here.